Hi, good day. Hope you're well. So in this lecture, I will start a new lecture series about Nest.js using GraphQL. So let's start it. So I will take reference from Nest.js official website. So let's start from the beginning. Uh, Whatever they say, the Nest.js is a framework for building efficient, scalable Node.js server-side application. So basically, Nest.js is a Node.js framework. It's built on top of Express.js and Fastify.js. And we can write code in object-oriented programming fashion or functional programming or functional or reactive programming fashions. We'll learn RxJS at the end of this tutorial. So actually Nest.js is based on Express.js or Fastify. You can use these two as an adapter. The main what I like in Nest.js actually is the architecture. The main architecture of the Nest.js is inspired by Angular.js, its structure and everything. So one question that why we choose Nest.js. There is lots of Node.js framework like Express.js. It's a huge popular. So my opinion is that I love it for that it's used extensively TypeScript and it's used some object-oriented principle like injection, IOC container, and uh, like uh, decorator or something like that. We will learn everything about that, and it's fully maintain the solid principle. So this framework is really perfect for large level application. Uh, for maintaining large level application, following the proper design principle and OOP principle, it's really efficient for large application. So let's take some look how to get started using Nest.js, how to install Nest.js. So first of all, Nest.js gives a beautiful CLI tools. It's Nest.js CLI. We can install it globally in our local environment using command line tools. Yeah, you can paste this command. So by using this command, Nest.js CLI tools will be installed. And then for creating a new application, we can write this command nest new project name like that, any project name you want. So I have already created a project. It's named nest new YouTube. Then there will be an option uh, which package manager you wants to use for installing this new application, Nest.js application. You can choose npm, yarn, or some other npm like that. So I have created a new project, nest new YouTube. I have already created that. So let's navigate to this project. So this is the initial project structure of Nest.js application. Let's navigate to the all the folder. This is node modules. All the install package will be goes there, and this is the main src folder. And this is some testing related folder. So most of the time we will work on this src folder. So there is only one module. It's called main module. uh, it's main. Then there is app module here and service there and controller there. So let's discuss all of the things here. So the main beauty is not just is this its structure. So we have module and we can register controller and service. So controller is the thing that all the request related thing, like by using get decorator you can handle get request in the road. So and in controller you can give the path of the request. So as there is no path, so it will be the road path. Then you can handle the get request of the road path by using get decorator. So the controller is actually basically used for defining the http route or http path. Then there is service. So all of the app logic will be goes there, and all the things will be bind in the module, and this module also bind in the. So this is the main module. So all if you create another module, all the module will be bind in the main module, will be import in the main module. That's a basic structure. So Let's try to run this application. So for running this application, we need to run npm run start tab. Yeah, I think app is starting on 3000 port. Let's open that. Look, so this is the get request on the road path. So let's go to the controller, and this is the controller, and there is no path defined. So this is the road path. This is the get request, and the request will become here. Then we import the service here and go to this, and this is the region actually hello one. So we will discuss everything in details in future. So that was an overview of the project structure. Then there is an mm, test file where you can define all the test file for your service and controller and everything. So that's the basic structure of the Nest.js application. Uh, yeah, and there is also one option. You can close the Nest.js project and you can install the dependencies and something like that. You can do it manually also. So I think best is using Nest.js CLI. Yeah, that was the initial introduction of the Nest.js. So in the next lecture, I will describe about GraphQL, and also I will describe about how to use GraphQL using Apollo GraphQL server in the Nest.js. Thank you so very much.